Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Gala video update for Monday 15th of August, right? So we're putting in this retracements to the downside for Gala once again, and what I can say is that I told you, in yesterday's video that you're going to push to the upside, but it would be a good idea that if Gala does come down to 6527, that could offer you the best entries, and you might be looking for that huge rise to go up to 0.09230, and that's actually a very believable price target based on how from where Gala has come from. Because if you zoom out of things here, sometimes you just all you have to do is do zoom out like that and look where Gala just came from. Talking what the hell is Gala? You are sitting down here. Where did it came from up there? Okay, and if you want to talk about this, you're talking about a huge price discounts. Even right now it is 92% down from all-time high. So don't tell me that it's not possible for Gala to actually just come up here to 0.09230, giving you that 40%. It's an easy peasy wheezy money, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice, but based on logic and chart reading and what I see on the charts is the following, right? So that was the touch right there, touch right here, one touch right there, and you broke it out, and you're coming for the retest, hold the retest, and you're looking to actually continue to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on Gala. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love it.